Hey guys, I'm just taking some time to show you my cider, my hard cider that I'm making. I pitched the yeast yesterday, and I just made it with some generic apple juice from the grocery store, $1.99 each, so $4 for a gallon. And I put yeast nutrients, pectic enzyme, and some apple cider yeast, and it should basically brew away here for the next 2 weeks, and I'll have some booze. So for $4, I'll get a 12-pack of hard cider instead of paying the $20 at the store. Pretty good deal, I think. Especially the way I like to drink hard cider. And this is my first batch, so I'm not coming off like I know what I'm doing. But this has been a very fun process of learning. And I've done sterilized everything.
When my home smells fresh, I feel at ease. My friend Bryson over here, well,
Time to steer the they call it a musk. Steer the musk. It kind of, during this part of fermentation, you want to oxygenate everything and get oxygen in there really good. And get the yeast to fortify all the way around. Get it all through there. So, it's simple. 3 easy steps. Select your juice. Pitch your yeast.
There's nothing like volunteering at the fire department.
There's nothing like hitting the waves.
But with my moderate to severe
And
Since my skin was so
at the end of about 2 weeks' time,
with all my gear on.
now I'm staying
you'll need to bottle it.
There's a power inside all
Okay.
of our passion.
So, look at that thing bubbling away, man.
It helps block a key source of
Let's see, I just put the lid back on. It'll take a minute to get going again, but
adults can have long-lasting, clearer skin.
man, we got fermentation going on.
Serious allergic reactions can occur.
All right.
Tell your doctor about
Thanks for riding with me. You guys have a good day.
it.